Creating a Wikipedia page is a collaborative process and it requires adhering to Wikipedia's guidelines. Here's a concise guide. Sign up or log in. You will need a Wikipedia account. Sign up or log in. Research notability. Ensure that the topic you want to create a page about is notable according to Wikipedia's guidelines. Notability means the subject has received significant coverage in independent, reliable sources. Search Wikipedia. Look for your topic to make sure it doesn't already exist. If a relevant page exists, consider editing and improving it instead. Draft your content. Write your article in a sandbox or draft space. Use the Wikipedia markup language for formatting. Be sure to follow Wikipedia's neutral point of view and verifiability guidelines. Cite reliable sources. Provide citations to back up the information you present. Wikipedia relies heavily on verifiable references. Add categories and links. Categorize your page appropriately and add internal and external links as references. Review Wikipedia's guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Wikipedia's content guidelines, notability guidelines, and style manual to ensure your content meets their standards. Submit for review. When your draft is complete, submit it for review. Experienced Wikipedia editors will assess its suitability for publication. Collaborate and revise. Be prepared to collaborate with other Wikipedia editors. Your draft may require revisions based on their feedback. Publication. Once your page is approved, it will become a live Wikipedia article. Be prepared for ongoing monitoring and potential edits by other Wikipedia contributors.